Ice Marine presents our high-quality impeller assembly for OMC, Johnson, and Evinrude Outboards. This impeller matches OEM numbers 395864 and 0395864, with equivalents from Sierra 18-3059, GLM 89570, and Mallory 9-45206. It also replaces multiple OMC/Johnson/Evinrude part numbers, including 397131, 435821, 50015937777816, and more. It's designed for a wide range of engines, from 80 HP all the way up to 300 HP, ensuring strong water flow and dependable cooling performance. Ice Marine, based in Taiwan, is an exporter and manufacturer of aftermarket marine products. We specialize in outboard parts, boat accessories, marine hardware, and OEM production. For more information, visit www.iceboatparts.com, email seller at icemarine.cc, or contact us on WhatsApp at +8 869664686632.